Hello children, we are continuing with the topic surface area volume. Today our topic is sphere and hemisphere. We know that a sphere or a hemisphere is a three-dimensional figure. Objects like football, any round figure of 3D shape like football, like a cricket ball or your planet Earth, all have a shape of a sphere. So we can draw a sphere on a board like this, just like a circle with the diameter and around it with curved surfaces. This is how we can represent sphere on a plain paper or a plain sheet. This is the radius of the sphere. The center of the sphere always lies inside the sphere. As you know, the center of the Earth lies inside the Earth. Similarly, the center of a sphere lies inside it. The sphere has only the radius, it does not carry any sort of height. If we make half of it, this sphere, if we cut it into two equal halves, each half is then called a hemisphere. This is a hemisphere. The total surface area of a hemisphere area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. You should understand that the curved surface area or the total surface area of a sphere is always same. It does not carry either curved surface area, it only carries total surface area. And if we cut the sphere in half, we get a hemisphere, and the curved surface area of hemisphere is its half, 2 pi r square. But for hemisphere, we have a different total surface area. If we cut a sphere into two equal halves, one half is a hemisphere, and you can see while cutting the sphere, the top of its base gets exposed like a circular object. So if we add this circular area to the curved surface area, we will get total surface area of a hemisphere. So total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So one should understand that the curved surface area or the total surface area of a sphere is same. It is 4 pi r square, and the curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, whereas its total surface area is 3 pi r square, because the top, the circular thing, the circular top gets exposed while cutting it, and the top surface is circular in shape. The area of circle is pi r square. If we add 2 pi r square with the area of the circle pi r square, we get 3 pi r square, and the total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So we can now do different types of questions related to sphere and hemisphere. Let us take few questions. Radius of a sphere is 14 centimeter. What is its surface area? So the surface area of sphere is calculated by using the formula 4 pi r square. We can take pi as 22 by 7, and r square is 14 into 14. 7172 is 88, 4 into 22 is 88, and 14 into 2 is 28. So multiplying 88 by 28, how much do we get? 22, so again 2 to 4, is 2464. 2464 centimeters square is the area, the surface area of that sphere. Now, another question, that total surface area of hemisphere is given. Find the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Now, there is another question, radius of hemisphere is 10 centimeter. We have to find its total surface area. As we know that total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Using that, hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Now, the question says take pi as 3.14 and r square is 10 into 10, that is 100. So, 3 into 314, it's 942 centimeters square. So, the total surface area of hemisphere is 942 centimeters square. Another question is the radius of sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. It says that find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. Now, surface area of sphere is given. It is 154 centimeters square. Now, we need to find its radius. Suppose radius of that sphere is r. Let radius of that sphere be r centimeter. Now, we know if we want to find the surface area of sphere, we use its formula. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area is 154, 4 pi is 22 by 7 and r square as it is, because we have to find out the value of r. Now, by cross multiplying, 7 gets into the numerator and 4 into 22 towards the denominator on the other side. This is called transposing. So, r square is equal to, r square is equal to 49 by 4. Now, when you find the square root of 49, it is r is equal to square root of 49 by 4. 49 is the square of 7. Here we write this, and 4 is the square root of 2. So, square and root is cancelled. The radius becomes 7 by 2. So, the radius of that sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Hope you understand the question and its solution also. Now, there is another question related to the moon and earth, because both are spherical in nature. It says the diameter of the moon is 1/4 the diameter of earth. What is the ratio of their surface areas? First of all, let the radius of moon, yes, what we need to do that, the diameter of moon is 1/4 diameter of earth. We need to find the ratio of their surface areas, the surface area of moon to the surface area of earth. Now, let us take radius of moon equal to small r. Then its diameter is is 2r, because diameter is twice the radius. And let radius of earth be denoted by something, new letter, suppose with capital R, and then the diameter of the earth will be, then its diameter is (2r). Now, according to the question, back to the question, according to given condition, the diameter of moon, that is 2r, is 1/4 the diameter of earth, that's capital 2r. On transposing, it's 4r is equal to r, which means that radius of earth is 4 times the radius of moon. So keep it as equation, keep aside, we need it later on. Now we need surface area of moon. Let me denote surface area of moon by Sm, and this is equal to 4 pi small r square. And then the surface area of earth, it is 4 capital R square. Now we find the ratio between the two, surface area of moon to the surface area of earth. It is 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi capital R square. 4 pi and 4 pi is cancelled. It is r square by capital R square. Now capital R is the radius of the earth, and it is 4 times the radius of the moon. So instead of capital R, write small 4r whole square. It is r square by 16 r square. 4 into 4, 16. R into r is r square. Now r square and r square is cancelled. It is 1 by 16. So the ratio between the moon and the earth of their surface areas is 1:16. Hope that you understand that question. There is another question. A hemispherical ball is made of steel which is 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area. Now, we have a hemispherical ball. This is the hemispherical ball. It has a certain thickness. So, its inner radius is 5 centimeter. And its thickness is 0.25 centimeter. We need to find the outer curved surface area of that hemisphere. Now, inner radius, we are given inner radius of hemispherical ball be denoted by small r, and it is equal to 5 centimeter. Its thickness is 0.25 centimeter. Now, if we add the thickness of 0.25 centimeter to the inner radius, we will get the outer radius. So, the outer radius of that hemispherical ball, which to be denoted by capital R, will be 5.25 centimeters. Now, we need to find the curved surface area of that ball. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to is 2 pi r square. 2, instead of pi write 2.22 by 7, and instead of r square write 5.25 into 5.25. Cancelling this, it is 22 into 2, 44 into 0.75 can be written as 75 by 100, and 525 can be written as 5.25 can be written as 525 by 100. Cancelling this, 25 3, 25 4, 4 1, 4 11. And this is 5 1, 5 5, 5 20, 5 4, 5 21. So, it becomes 11 into 3, 33 into 21 divided by 4. So, 33 into 21 is 693. So, that curved surface will be 693 by 4, which on dividing gives 173.25 centimeters square. This is the curved surface, the outer curved surface area of that ball. Hope that you understand that question. Now, coming to another topic of volume of sphere and hemisphere. Now, volume of sphere, remember that, is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. The half of the volume of sphere is hemisphere, and we call it hemisphere. If half of the sphere is hemisphere and the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, then dividing by this 2, we get 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, we will do certain questions related to volume of sphere and hemisphere. so that you can understand it fully. We are given radius of sphere is 7 centimeters. What is its volume? So, using formula for volume of sphere, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, r cube is 7 into 7 into 7. So, how much is this? We do 49 into 88. It's 4312 by 3. On dividing this by 3, we get 12. It is 1437.33 centimeter cube, because the volume is taken as the 3 dimensions, hence the power of unit will carry always 3. So, volume of that sphere is 1437.33 centimeter cube. Taking another question. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.7 centimeter hold? Now, we have a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter. How many liters of milk hold? Now, we are given the diameter and we will convert this into radius. So, radius of this bowl it is 10.5 is the diameter divided by 2, you get 5.25 centimeter is its radius. Now, we will find the volume of that hemispherical bowl. It is 2 by 3 pi r cube. R cube 5.25 over 3. That means 5.25 is to be multiplied 3 times by itself. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7. We can write 525 as 525 by 100 and 525 by 100, 525 by 100. So, on cancellation, we will get it's 521 by 5 this is 20 5 4. So, 105 divided by 100 is 21 by 4. So, we can straight away write 21 by 4 and 21 by 4. So, on cancelling this, we will get 2 1 2 2, 2 1 2 11, 3 1 3 7, 7 1 7 1. Now, what is left? 11, 21 and 21. 11 into 21 into 21 divided by 16 centimeter cube is the capacity of that hemispherical bowl. So, on calculating this, 21 into 21 is 441 into 11, it is 4851 by 16 centimeter cube, and which is equal to is something 303.1 centimeter cube. Now, the volume of hemispherical bowl is 303.1 centimeter cube approximately. We need to convert it into liters, because the question says how many liters of milk can it hold. So, to convert centimeter cube into liters, we already know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So, we will write this thing on that corner to make you understand. Now, we know 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, and 1 centimeter cube is 1 by 1000 liters using the unitary method you have done in lower classes. Therefore, 303.1 centimeter cube is equal to 303.1 divided by or multiplied by 1 by 1000. So, placing 0.3 digits in front, it becomes 0.303 liters. So, the amount of milk held by this hemispherical bowl will be 0.303 liters. Hope you understand this type of question also. Now, coming to another question where we are given the surface area of a sphere and we need to find its volume. Now, the surface area of sphere is 154 centimeters square. Now, we know that the volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi is the value of 22 by 7 and we need to find the radius. That means radius is missing. Now, to find the radius, let its radius be r centimeters. Therefore, we know that surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, and for this we can make a sort of equation. 4 pi r square is the surface area of the sphere and it is equal to 154 centimeters square. Putting all these values and calculate this, we will be able to find the radius of that sphere. R square is, on transposing, 154 gets multiplied with 7 and 4 with 22. So, cancelling this, we have 7 2 times and 4 is the square of 2. So, putting square root on that, the radius of that sphere will be 7 by 2 centimeter. Now, we are in a position to find the volume of that sphere. You know the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Four by 3 as it is, pi is 22 by 7 and r is 7 by 2 to be written 3 times by itself. So, while we calculate this, we will get the actual volume of that sphere. Two 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4 and 2 1s are 2 11s are. So, 11 into 7 into 7, that is 77 into 11. (847 by 3 centimeter cube) is the volume of that sphere. Hope that you understand that question. Now we have another question We are given a hemispherical tank that is made of iron sheet of 1 centimeter thickness. The inner radius is 1 meter. Find the volume of iron used to make the tank. Now we have a hemispherical tank. Suppose this is a hemispherical tank. It is 1 meter in thickness. The inner radius is 1 meter and its thickness is 1 centimeter. We have an iron tank that is hemispherical in shape. It is given that the inner radius is this much. It is equal to 1 meter, and the thickness is 1 centimeter. Now, how much iron sheet has been used in making that tank? Find the volume of iron used to make the tank. Now, how to solve that question? First, we find out the radius, the inner radius of hemispherical tank. Inner radius of hemispherical tank is 1 meter, and the thickness is given as 1 centimeter. We need how much of iron has been used in making that tank, and it is not given in any way whether to express its volume in centimeters or meters. It is up to us whether to keep it in meters or in centimeters. So, the thickness of the iron is one centimeter. If we convert that into meters, it is 1 by 100 meter, or you can write it as 0.01 meter. It gives you the outer radius of the sphere. This hemispherical tank. The inner radius, that is 1 meter, and the thickness of the hemisphere is to be written as 1.01 meters. So, to find the volume of the iron used in making that tank, we actually have it a combination of two hemispheres, and the volume of the iron used is the difference between the inner hemisphere and the volume of the outer hemisphere. So, volume of iron sheet used in making that tank is the difference of the volume of inner part of that tank with the outer part of that tank. Now, volume of outer part can be written as 4 by 3 outer radius to be denoted by capital R. It is 4 by 3 capital R pi r cube minus 4 by 3 pi small r cube. 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Right? Now, we will calculate all this to find the actual volume of iron sheet used, 4 by 3. We are given pi equal to 22 by 7. R cube is 1.01 whole cube, and small r cube is 1 raised to power 3. So, use that part of the board. It is 4 into 22, 88. by 21 into 1.01 to be multiplied thrice by itself. We can write 101 into 101 and again write 101. It's 10201 again multiplied by 101 . So you can put 0.6 towards from right to left. It is 1.030301. So we do not need to write all this, but we can keep only two digits, 1.03 and 1 raised to power 3 is 1. So you can round off with a larger number of digits in its place values after decimals. It is 88 by 21 into 0.03, or you can write it as 88 by 21 into 3 by 100, 3137, and becomes 88 by 700 meter cube. If you put this in decimals, 88 by 700 is 0.125 meter cube. So the amount of iron used in making that hemispherical tank is 0.125 meter cube. Hope that you have understood that question. Thank you.